Explore the brightness of your nature through fast, expressive drawing. Grab your pencil and paper, maybe a multicolored pen, and let's go. So I'm drawing just two suns in different sections of my page, and these suns represent my brightness, and on one side it's going to be things that dull my brightness, and then things that increase my brightness are going to be up here. So, pause this and take a minute to think about it. I'm going to go intuitively, but I've had a little bit of time to think about it. So just give yourself that moment if you need it, or just go for it. It's super fun to just jump right in. Or if you need a little bit of inspiration by watching me, or if you need a little bit of time to think about it, just, do you, whatever works for you. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what I'm doing. I am doing a very basic impression of an art palette because art and color brighten my light like nothing else. Nature also does that. Anytime I'm outside, mostly I'm happy if I'm warm enough. And the point with this is to non-verbally process things in our life. You can label, you can categorize, you can be verbal about it, but focus on the imagery, focus on what it does in your heart when you think about certain things, and just follow your intuition, follow your imagination mind. The things that brighten me are love, and then the things that dull me are, let's see, heaviness of fear, scattered busyness, chaos, and rigidity around timing and tiny little windows of time to get stuff done, and all that stuff. So I'm going to focus on this. This will extend my light.